I believe it's day 40 of Path to Profitability. It is currently Monday, February 9th, 11:36 p.m. We're almost done with Asian session. Yesterday we did finish kind of like profit with a trade that we set up on Friday before closing. The trade did go somewhat as planned, I would say, because we did get the right prediction, just on different times, I would say. So for that trade, it wasn't set up like we would like it to be set up, because it went from Friday market close to Sunday open, and when that happens, it can be super volatile or just unpredictable in general. Luckily, we did get it how we wanted, and that would be like I said on yesterday's video, that it did take our execution price and then it went in the opposite direction to get more orders, and then it went right back up how we wanted it to go. I'm looking at it right now here on the chart. And then after I closed the trade, because I wasn't paying attention to it, after I closed the trade, it did plummet. It wouldn't have hit my stop loss. It would have hit like the original price, which would have been like zero profit and kind of like a bummer, but we closed it. But following that on, had I left the trade on, it would have been all Sunday open, all London session, and all New York session. It would have taken all that time, like 3 full sessions, for my prediction to go to the right price and take the original TP from Sunday. But we didn't do that. Instead, we closed a trade, profit, and then today, Monday morning, when I woke up, I forgot to set up the alarm, to be honest. I didn't set up the alarm. I woke up late. I kind of like just half-assed the pre-analysis on what I thought it would have happened. I was on a higher time frame, so I wasn't seeing a lot of candlesticks. But what I did see was kind of like the market opening manipulation. It went up, and then it kind of like was going on a downtrend. That's when I woke up. That's when I half-assed the analysis and saw it, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna set up a trade that if it keeps going on a downtrend and it breaks like the structure, then I'm gonna go on a bearish. And I set it up, and yes, it did hit that price action because it was like a London high that would have hit to fill those orders. That was like my thought process. But after it did that, it went in the complete opposite direction. It went bullish, and on a higher time frame, I couldn't see the candlesticks, but on a lower time frame, I could have. I'm seeing looking at it right now. Had I been on a lower time frame, I could have seen the break of structure and probably use that as a confluence in general. I still don't have my list of confluences to follow, but yeah, definitely. And that would have been like a plenty take profit of that. Right now on Asian session, when the market opened, gold fucking plummeted, which is weird. There's a lot of news going on. Actually, tomorrow morning we have, yeah, for New York session, we have news. Probably gonna trade after that. They are at 5 a.m. That's fucking crazy. I mean, that's 8 a.m. New York, but it's 5 over here. So definitely gonna be up for that, most likely. But I will be for the after news session, which is, we'll see how that goes. Might take a trade. Right now for London session, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go up. It's gonna correct some of the price that dropped on Asian Open, and then I think it's gonna go up, and then New York's gonna go down to take down those Asians lows. But we'll see tomorrow, because there's big news. Everyone's trying to drop their U.S. Treasury bonds. Dollar is in an unsteady position in which either can hold its value or gain strength, but it could easily as well lose value with all that shit that's going on right now. But that's pretty much right it. So today we were down 17 because of the wrong trend. I didn't use the correct trend or the right time chart to the analysis, but we'll try and see how tomorrow goes so I can accurately predict where the price will go. We'll see.